Morning, my dear students. Welcome back again for our today's lecture. This lecture is for class 5, subject English grammar, chapter number 18, lecture number 1, and today's topic is adverbs second. Means in lesson number 18, or we can say in chapter number 17, I explain adverbs first part, in which I explain only 3 adverbs, means 3 kinds of adverbs. And in today's lecture, I will be covering adverb second part, means left 3 parts, means the 3 parts which we had not covered in lesson number 17 will be going to cover in lesson number 18. Okay, means as you know very well, there are 6 parts of or 6 kinds of adverbs. 3 parts we have discussed already, and remaining 3 we are going to discuss in today's lecture. This is of PC Rance term 3 book. As you know very well, term 3 book is not divided into term, okay, but we will consider it as term 3. So let's start. Before we begin the lesson, first of all we should know the content of the lesson. Okay, first of all we will see contents. So let's start with contents. So the contents of today's lecture: explanation of what? Fourth part, that is adverb of place. Then it will be followed by adverb of time as well as adverb of frequency. So I will be giving you explanation of left 3 kinds of adverbs, that is adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. After this beta, we will know the rules how to identify each. Means if you want to know whether it is adverb of place, then what rule you are going to use, or if it is adverb of time and it is adverb of frequency, then how will you identify? So these things also we will discuss in today's lecture. And last, we will sum up it with homework. Okay, so you will get homework also in today's lecture. So I think you are ready. Open your book, that is lesson number 18, given on page number 87. Let's start with adverb second. First of all, as you know very well, in lecture number, means in previous lectures of lesson number 17. Okay, this is the lecture number 1, but I am telling you about the previous because we are continuing the same lecture. We are continuing the same lesson. So in lesson number 17, we had discussed only 3 parts. That is adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and interrogative adverb. Now today we will start with adverbs of place. So here it is given. Read these sentences. Adverb of place. Read these sentences. The train stops here. We leave there. My father has gone out. The rocket went up. Now here you can see beta in italic words, here, there, out and up. This shows place. The train stops here. मतलब ट्रेन यहाँ रुकती है. Means it is defining time. Defining place. Then where does the train stop? The train stops here. We live there. Where do we live? We live there. हम वहाँ रहते हैं. My father has gone out. मेरे पापा बाहर जा चुके हैं. Where my father has gone? My father has gone out. So out. The rocket went up. Where did the rocket go? The rocket went up. So up. So here, there, out and up. They shows adverb of place. So we will discuss in while writing also. So let's start with adverbs of place. In adverbs of place beta, it means it tells about the place. About the place. Place means jagah, or we can say sthan. Okay, where an action has done, where the action has done. It tells where the action has, या फिर action is done. Okay, it tells about the place. Here where the action is done. Here beta you will get so many words like in, out, here, there, okay, up, down, or we can say downstairs. Upstairs. Okay, upstairs, you can write here upstairs. So these words you will get here and adverbs of place. First of all, it tells about the place, means jagah sthan. It second, it tells where the action is done, means action kahan hua hai, means why place. And here you will get so many words like in, out, here, there, up, down, downstairs, upstairs, etc. Only these not the word which we have to focus on. There are many words which we are going to discuss. Okay, so here we will get in, out, here, there, up, down, downstairs, upstairs. So these are the words you will get in adverb of place. So this is your fourth part of adverb. We had already discussed three parts, that is fourth part, adverbs of place. And the most important thing beta here you will get the answer of where. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको आंसर मिलेगा where an action has done. So you will get the answer of where. If somebody asks he has gone out, so you can ask where he has gone. So he will say he has gone out. So you will get answer of where here. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको where means होता है कहाँ. In Hindi we can say that is kahan. Okay, so you will get the answer of where. Now we will discuss the next part. First of all, we will see in the book also. You can see here each of the adverbs in our sentences shows where the action is done. As where does the train stop? You can say here. The adverbs which show where some action is done are called adverb of place. उनको बोलते हैं हम adverb of place. Adverb of place answer the question where. So here means in adverb of place you will get the answer of where. Okay, so how will you identify it? With where. कहाँ हुआ है action? You can say where an action has done. It is in, out, up, down, here, there, everywhere, upstairs, downstairs. Okay, inside, outside. So you will get answer of these. Now I will start with adverbs of time. It is given on page number 88. Adverbs of time. This is fifth kind of adverb. Adverbs of time. So here you will read the sentences. You can see, read these sentences. The holidays will begin tomorrow. Work all the harder today. I shall return soon. Rama phoned me yesterday. Do it now. Here in adverbs of time, you will be given with a time. So you have to focus on time when an action has done or when an action is done. Okay, the holidays will begin tomorrow. Here you will get tomorrow. Work all the harder today. Today. I shall return soon. The Rama phoned me yesterday and do it now. So here tomorrow, today, soon, yesterday and now. They shows adverb of time. Okay, means they are telling about when an action is done. Action is done tomorrow. Action is done today. Action is done. Action will be done soon. Action is done yesterday. Action will be done now. So in each of the adverbs in the above sentences, when action is done as when will the holiday begin, or we will get the answer of tomorrow here in the first sentence. So let's discuss in writing. So beta, in adverbs of time, it tells about the time, means samay. Okay, when an action is done. It second, it tells when an action is done. Why the same thing I am repeating again. I am telling you, means I am going to explain you each and everything, so you will not get confused, because these are parts of speech that you have to go through, means throughout your life. Okay, that is why I am telling you each and everything when an action is done. So third, you will get the answer of when here. When means kab hua hai. And here you will get the words like now, soon, today, tomorrow, etc. So these words you will get here. Now means ab, soon, jaldi, today, aaj, tomorrow, kal, early, jaldi, jaldi bolte na, early. So these words, yesterday means beeta hua kal. So these words you will get in adverbs of time. Okay, fourth part we had discussed adverb of place, and fifth part we are discussing adverbs of time. This is the fifth kind of adverb, that is adverbs of time, in which you will get the answer of when, and you will get the words like now, soon, today, tomorrow, etc. So this is your adverbs of time. Adverb of time means the words which are used to tell when an action is done. This is called adverbs of time. Simple definition you will get. I will tell you definition also in the last. Okay. Now we will discuss sixth part. Now we will discuss here adverbs of frequency. Okay. Adverbs of frequency. This is the sixth part, or we can the sixth kind of adverb. This is the last part. Adverbs of frequency. Frequency होता है बेटा बार बार, कितनी बार, how much, okay, how means many, how many, या फिर how often. Okay, so let's read the sentences. Now read these sentences. Read the sentences below. The merchant sometimes went out of town for his business. So here the italic word is sometimes. Merchant sometimes मतलब कभी कभी went out of town for his business. The word sometimes tells us how often the merchant went out of town. How often मतलब कितनी बार. Okay, often means बार बार बोलते ना. How often you will write your answer in notebook. So how often means कितनी बार. An adverb of frequency is used to indicate how often a certain action is done or takes place. Ask the question how often after the verb to determine the adverb of frequency. Here ask the question how often. Here you will get how often means you will get the answer of how often after the verb. After what? After the verb to determine the adverb of frequency. Let's discuss in writing also. Now we are going to discuss sixth subpart, that is adverbs of frequency. Okay, adverbs of frequency. So here are the things which we have to focus on. It tells how often. It tells how often. Okay, it tells about, जैसे उसमें बताया था हमने, it tells about the time. In adverb of late it was telling about the place. In the same manner adverb of frequency it tells how often. Okay, how often मतलब कितनी बार. Second, it tells how often, the same thing I am discussing. Okay, how often an action is done. मतलब एक एक्शन कितनी बार हुआ है. How often an action is done. एक एक्शन कितनी बार हुआ है. Third, you will get the answer of how often. How often in Hindi you can say कितनी बार. कितनी बार. Okay. In adverb of frequency, how often means कितनी बार. And you will get the words like here. Sometimes, always, never. Okay, and many more, etc. we can say. There are many words you will get here. So in adverbs of frequency, first thing it tells how often. How often के बारे में बताता है, कितनी बार. How often an action is done, कितनी बार एक action हुआ है. How often, you will get the answer of how often. Okay, like in adverb of manner, you are getting the answer of how. Okay, in adverb of that was second part was adverb of degree, in which you will getting the answer of how much. Okay, in the same manner in adverb of interrogative adverb you are getting the answer of WH family. In adverb of place you are getting the answer of where. In adverb of time you are getting the answer of when. In the same manner in adverb of frequency you will get the answer of how often. How often means kitni baar. So in the same manner you will get the answer of each and every adverb. So that is why I am discussing here in means thoroughly with you all. So everything means each and everything will be means clear to you. In adverb of degree we were discussing हाउ मच मीन्स टू व्हाट डिग्री, कितने तक, कितना, ठीक है. सो इन द सेम मैनर द एडवर्ब्स हियर फिनिशेस. एडवर्ब फ्रीक्वेंसी it tells about how often. So now we will take recapitulation of all the adverbs, means of lesson number 18 adverbs. First we had discussed adverb of place. The adverb which shows where some action is done are called adverbs of place. ऐसे एडवर्ब्स, ऐसे क्रिया विशेषण जो ये बताते हैं कि एक्शन कब मतलब कहाँ हुआ है, वेयर, कहाँ हुआ है, उनको बोलते हैं हम एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस. Here you will get exercise number 1 also बेटा. This exercise number 1 we will do here in the classroom. In exercise number 2 and 3 you will do yourself. Okay. So it tells how often or it tells about where an action is done. Action कहाँ पे हुआ है. So this is adverbs of place. Next is adverbs of time. The adverb which shows when some action is done are called adverbs of time. जो adverb show करते हैं कि action कब हुआ है, means you will get the answer of when. When an action is done, it is adverb of time. ऐसे क्रिया विशेषण जो ये बताते हैं कि एक्शन कब हुआ है, that is adverb of time. Okay, so you will get the answer of when here. You will get the answer of when here. And the last is adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency is used to indicate how often a certain action is done or takes place. कितनी बार एक एक्शन करा जाता है, किया जाता है. Ask the question how often after the word to determine the adverb of frequency. तो इन एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ हाउ ऑफन, मतलब कितनी बार वो एक्शन हो चुका है या फिर हो रहा है. ओके, तो दैट इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. एंड हियर यू विल गेट द वर्ड्स लाइक सेल्डम, एवरीडे, ऑलवेज, नेवर, एवर. सो दीज वर्ड्स यू विल गेट हियर. ओके बेटा, let's do exercise number 1, that is underline the adverbs of place in the following sentences. Adverb of place means where an action is done. He has come back. वो वापस आ चुका है. तो कहाँ आ चुका है, वापस आ चुका है, back. The little lamb followed Mary everywhere. Little lamb ने मैरी को हर जगह फॉलो किया. कहाँ फॉलो किया, हर जगह, everywhere. So you will get the answer of where. Let us go out. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. कहाँ चलते हैं, where, out. ओके, द सर्वेंट हैज़ गॉन अपस्टेयर्स. सर्वेंट ऊपर जा चुका है. वेयर द सर्वेंट हैज़ गॉन, द सर्वेंट हैज़ गॉन अपस्टेयर्स. सो अपस्टेयर इज एडवर्ब ऑफ मीन्स प्लेस. द पियान इज स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. वेयर द पियान इज स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. सो आउटसाइड इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. वेयर द पियान इज स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. नेक्स्ट इज वी सैट इनसाइड. हम अंदर बैठे. कहाँ बैठे, वेयर वी सैट इनसाइड. वेयर डिड वी सिट इनसाइड. कम इन एंड सिट डाउन. अंदर आओ और बैठ जाओ. कहाँ आओ और बैठ जाओ, कम इन एंड सिट डाउन. कहाँ बैठ जाओ, नीचे बैठ जाओ. ओके, अंदर आओ और नीचे बैठ जाओ. सो हेयर यू विल गेट डाउन. आई थिंक इन इज ऑल्सो हेयर. इन, आउट, अप, डाउन, दैट इज ऑल्सो एडवर्ब. स्टैंड देयर. वहाँ खड़े जाओ. कहाँ खड़े जाओ, देयर. सो देयर इज ऑल्सो adverb of place. Next is the kite flies high in the sky. Okay, where does the kite fly in the sky? High. ऊपर उड़ती है, high. The owl comes out at night. Owl रात में बाहर आ जाता है. कहाँ आता है, बाहर. That is out. Bring your book here. अपनी बुक यहाँ लेके आओ. Where you should bring your book? You should bring your book here. Look there. He is. देखो वहाँ है वो. Where he is, there. I have been looking for you everywhere. मैं तुम्हें हर जगह ढूंढ रहा हूँ. कहाँ ढूंढ रहा हूँ, everywhere. Anywhere, that is also adverb of place. Work hard or you will be kept in. कड़ी मेहनत करो या फिर तुम ऐसे ही रह जाओगे. अदरवाइज तुम ऐसे ही रह जाओगे. ओके, कैसे रह जाओगे. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि यहाँ पे है, बट यहाँ पे हमें मिलती है इन. I'll be kept in. अच्छा, कड़ी मेहनत करो या फिर तुम्हें अंदर रख दिया जाएगा, मतलब तुम्हें अंदर बिठा दिया जाएगा. So where you will sit, in. So in is also adverb of place. So here we had successfully done exercise number 1. Now in exercise number 2 it is given, you will do it yourself. Exercise number 2. In exercise number 2, write down 3 sentences each containing an adverb of place. आपको 3 sentences लिखने हैं. Each should contain adverb of place. So you can write yourself these words. In exercise number 3 beta, underline the adverbs of time in the following sentences. In the following sentences there are many sub parts of this exercise, so you have to underline adverb of time. This you can do yourself, in which time is given, so do yourself. In exercise number 4, write down 3 sentences each containing an adverb of time. This also you can do. Here you have to write 3 sentences that must contain adverb of time. Okay, इसमें adverb of time होना चाहिए, so this is also very easy for you to do. This is your last exercise. In exercise number 5, identify and write type of adverb in the underlined words in the following sentences. One has been done for you. Identify and write the type of adverb in the underlined words. Underlined words जो है यहाँ पे given है, आपको identify करना है, पहचाने और लिखना है कि वो adverb का कौन सा type है. Okay, whether it's adverb of place, time or frequency. So this you have to tell. First it has been done for you. You can check. Sachin practiced बैटिंग रेगुलरली. सचिन ने बैटिंग रेगुलरली प्रैक्टिस करी. तो कैसे मीन्स कितनी बार प्रैक्टिस करी? रेगुलरली, मतलब हर डेली प्रैक्टिस करता है. तो रेगुलरली इज एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. इन द सेम मैनर यू विल टेल ग्लोरिया ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी अ टीचर. ग्लोरिया हमेशा एक टीचर बनना चाहती थी. ठीक है, सो चाहती थी और वी कैन से चाहती थी. ग्लोरिया ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी अ टीचर. सो हेयर always you have to tell which kind of adverb it is. It is adverb of place, time or frequency. This is very easy. I am going to do it for you. That is always is adverb of frequency. Okay, adverb of frequency. कब से? हमेशा से. Okay, always. So always is adverb of frequency. Beta, one more thing here, only not the adverb of means adverb of manner, adverb of time, place and frequency. There is an adverb of manner also. Okay, so please you have to look for every adverb, whether it is adverb of manner, frequency, time, place, degree, interrogative adverb. You have to check every adverb here. Okay, in the same manner you can do it. You can complete your exercise number 5. So beta, your today's homework is do exercise 2, 3, 4 and 5 of adverb second part, that is lesson number 18, given in PCN's book on page number 88 to 90. Okay, so this part you have to do yourself. I have already discussed with you how you will do these parts, so please do them and kindly send me your answers. So this was the lesson about adverbs. Kindly watch the lecture again. Means not only one time watching lecture is not sufficient. You must watch this lecture 3, 4 or 5 times. Okay, and watch lecture number means less of 2 lecture that I already uploaded of lesson number 17 also, because this is also means the same part of adverbs. So this means you can discuss many things here in the online class also. I'll be joining in online class. There you will discuss many things. So bye bye, take care and keep watching lectures because your exams are near. Thank you.